I was 73 when I first experienced some rapid heartbeat, and Andrea, my daughter, was in her second year studying osteopathy at the academy in Hamilton, and she said, "Mom, you know what? Before you do anything else, I think you should have an appointment with Mo. I'll speak to him." And that was my lucky day. I called and he said yes, definitely he would see me. And I just let him do the assessment and the treatment. He does the miracles, but right now I don't have any problem at all with the rapid heartbeat. It's fantastic. Because I am coming in from the South Shore to Montreal, then taking a train to Ottawa. So I get up at around 3:30, leave the house at 4:45, and it's all worth it. Mo is incredible. He is so knowledgeable in this field. He's caring, he's professional. It's very gentle manipulation. I mean, I never have said what's bothering me. I think in his assessments, in his first, he knows what to do. It's pretty amazing. I started January 2013, and I'll be 80 in January, and I'm sure that, you know, the overall health benefits have been way more than. He had a lot of adjustments to do. It's like bringing in your old car. And if I had ever known about osteopathy, I would have started a long time ago. But I'm reaping the benefits for sure. I believe that, you know, children today, if they start young, like my grandchildren, if I could get them here, I would do it. I mean, start early. Yeah, that's my regret.